Hi guys, this is Ivy with WTI, and are you looking for the perfect brand of flushable wipes? Well, let me tell you about Goodwipes. Goodwipes, for starters, love to pride themselves on the fact that these flushable wipes are actually flushable. They have been tested to ensure that these wipes flush without a problem. I also love that they are hypoallergenic, so you don't have to worry about any skin sensitivities. They have a great lavender smell, and yet the smell or fragrance does not pose any harm because these wipes are naturally scented. And what's great is that each wipe is made in an extra large size, so less is more and you don't have to worry about using up all your wipes all at once. What's also great about these wipes is the texture. They are the perfect combination of soft and thick, so you don't have to worry about. These Goodwipes flushable wipes are an absolute game changer, and I love them so much, but that is just my point of view.